Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create like a text look better with like glyphs. So I'm just going to type in water bottle and I'm just going to make it bigger so you guys can see this, and I'm going to change the font for it. And to find the glyphs of this like font, you're just going to go to window and then you're going to go to the type section and then go to glyphs here. And you can basically change the, for instance, let's say I want a more like a better W. So I'm just going to select the W here, just a W. And then I'm going to scroll down to find the one that I want. And like the glyph that I want, I'm just going to double click on it. And it's going to, as you can see, replace that. Where's the lowercase one? Like this one. And then like even the A's, you can like change as well here. They have a lot of glyphs for this specific font. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.